Iran, the great realm of civilization, the land of legends and culture. In the southernmost part of this land is an island called Khārk, located on the coastal waters of the Persian Gulf, a blessed and wealthy source granting bounties for all Iranians. The location and the sea depth of Khārk has made it an ideal port for the export of crude oil and petrochemicals. Khārk Petrochemical Complex, KPC, is situated on the southern side of the island, and with 2 units producing LPG and methanol, plays a major role in the production of high value-added items in the region. The products are processed at KPC in a safe environment, which are appropriately delivered to their customers. The numeric rate of production each year is 115,000 metric tons of propane, 120,000 metric tons of butane, 70,000 metric tons of C5 plus naphtha, 170,000 metric tons of sulfur, and 660,000 metric tons of methanol. Propane, butane, and naphtha, in addition to being consumed as fuel, are used for production of olefins. Sulfur is used for production of sulfur compounds, sulfuric acid, synthetic fertilizers, electrical insulators, pharmaceuticals and rubber, gunpowder, matchsticks, and also sanitary ware. Methanol is also used in the production of MTBE, acetic acid, formaldehyde, and industrial solvents. The LPG unit of KPC, as one of the first petrochemical units in Iran, was developed jointly by the National Petrochemical Company NPC and the American company Amoco, with an investment of 900 million Iranian rials. The unit processes natural gas recovered from the offshore wells operated by the Iranian Offshore Oil Company into value-added items. Designing the operational units of the plant was carried out by the American company JE Pritchard, and its construction and installation operations were conducted by Japan's Chiyoda in 1965. The plant was ready for operation by late 1969. The construction project of the methanol unit of Khārk petrochemical complex began in 1994 with the following goals in mind: prevent the burning of light gases produced in the complex operations and transform them into highly value-added products, enhance exports and generate more revenues for the company, ensure technology transfer, reduce environmental pollutions, and create jobs in the region. This unit was built with the basic engineering technology of Germany's Laurier, with an investment of $149.5 million and 465.5 billion Iranian rials in an area of 24 hectares. Methanol unit operation started in 1999. KPC gets 4 million cubic meters per day of sour gas as its feed, being extracted from oil recoveries from onshore and offshore fields, and includes heavy hydrocarbons and sulfur compounds. The plant's supporting services units are so vital for providing utilities such as water, steam, electricity, nitrogen, compressed air systems, and instrument air. In order to export its products, Khārk Petrochemical Complex has its own exclusive jetties, each comprising a main deck and 8 subdecks, capable of berthing and loading vessels up to 45,000 tons of capacity. KPC, Public Joint Stock Company, maintains world-class standards in order to expand the export of its products to all parts of the world and to keep its customers, employees, and shareholders satisfied. It is also in constant pursuit of acquiring and implementing other standards related to the company's current performance. As a public joint stock company, Khārk Petrochemical Company has a capital of 6,000 billion Iranian rials, and its shares are owned by actual and legal shareholders. Khārk Petrochemical Company, being supported by its experienced and committed staff, and through optimum utilization of its points of strength, such as commitment, capabilities, and experience of its employees, in a periodical workdays basis, is so eager to provide appropriate facilities for its staff. And, great thanks to God, it is fulfilling projects to flourish its operations. Khārk Petrochemical Company is trying its best to promote welfare for its employees and the local people, and is developing projects to reach the most desirable results. Excellence and generation of the highest value-added results in a safe environment are our goals. Khārk Petrochemical Company, Public Joint Stock Company.